we're down here in the southern atolls. An epic 12-day surf trip. Scored 2 days of absolute perfection, and I'm pretty surfed out. I'm fished out now, and I'm dived out, and just hanging with the mates for the final leg of a great journey. So 10-hour marathon session yesterday, about 1,500 barrels, probably about 200 between all of us shared. Just epic.
I think also traveling with a legend like Sean is also it's quite a blessing to see a wave in Maldives get absolutely ripped apart.
No, it's quite irritating, isn't it?
It's quite irritating, but it's amazing.
It shows you how bad you surf.
Yeah, but it shows you how well the wave can be surfed. There's a difference. So, not only are other charter boats in awe of the wave, but that, traveling with the ledge makes it different. This is my second trip, and Beacons, I've been dying to see it, and it delivered in a big way. But still, seeing that kind of wave ridden.
Well, if anybody knows Kanduma, you should look at the waves there and you take blue balls. Blue balls and Kanduma are actually carbon copies of each other.
It's very similar.
I've had both, and it's just unbelievable. Like the quality of the waves.
Also,
my first trip was, to the northern atolls, and amazing waves. I had cokes and chickens, and it was just nuts. We had it at 8 feet, and it was perfect. And surfing Beacons, yesterday and today was, I find the southern atolls just got a little bit more energy, a little bit more intense as well. And then central atolls, Kanduma was just perfect. We scored it. We had 10 days of 6 feet. I probably got lucky, but for me the best thing about these trips and coming to the Maldives as opposed to going anywhere else in the world is just that you're able to pull a crew together of really cool guys, different ages, and you can spend your evenings. You can having a good chat about real life stuff, and you can surf the whole day, or you can go fishing and go diving. Everybody's just having an absolute blast.
And there's a rip.
Pumping. Time for lunch. 15 hours straight. We were on it.